So, undoubtedly one of the most beautiful voices that I've ever heard, ever in my life, is that of the late, great Eva Cassidy. And the first song that I was exposed to with her talent was Songbird. And I'm gonna sing it. I'm gonna attempt to sing it. So hopefully it goes well. And here we go. For you, there'll be no crying. For you, the sun will be shining, 'cause I feel that when I'm with you, it's alright. I know it's right. And the songbirds keep singing like they know the score. And I love you, I love you, I love you like never before. So far, alright, so. That's cute. I don't know where I got it. I think I got it from Dozo. To you, I would give the world. To you, I'd never be cold, 'cause I feel that when I'm with you, it's alright. I know it's right. And the songbirds keep singing like they know the score. And I love you, I love you, I love you like never before. Like never before. Like never before.